A very happy greetings, dear friends. Hope you are watching and listening this video in your fantabulous spirits. My name is Shrikant Gupta and we are going to share the most powerful fifth secret for bringing your job, business and life to the new heights and English language to a great level. But this time I would like to start with a story before revealing the secret. And this is the story of Michael Jackson. When Michael Jackson was at peak in his career and was a shining star of the world, and when he introduced the world famous moonwalk, he was asked during an interview, what made you Michael Jackson? Or how did you reach to the zenith of success? He beautifully replied, during my initial days, during the beginning of my dance career, I made a commitment to myself that I won't sleep at night until I learn one new move every day. And I practiced and learned new move every day for 365 days. These 365 days helped me to learn 365 new moves. And these 365 new moves made me Michael Jackson. That's the fifth powerful secret. We call it 1% formula. Make a commitment to learn and improve your English at least 1% every day. This 1% could be learning new words with their meanings and uses. It could be reading, recalling and repeating the learned concepts. It could be listening or talking to the experts for better learning. When you go to bed at night, there must be a sense of satisfaction that you learned something new to improve your language at least 1% daily. And my dear friends, after 100 days, you will have 100% English. If you apply this 1% formula, you will get good command over English and your communication will be commendable. Guys, we are hoping that all the 5 secrets we have discussed so far are helping you to fulfill your dream to celebrate English. Guys, keep implementing these secrets again and again, because idea without implementation has no power. And if you want powerful English, you would have to implement these ideas. If you want to live a successful life, just subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so you could receive a notification for our next upcoming video. As we have shared our mission in our previous video, we would like to mention it again to motivate you. Thank you. Thank you so much. We wish you a beautiful, blissful, joyful, progressive and successful life ahead.